this situation?
So what about this situation?
This is a different situation.
This is a different situation.
We have a young man here.
We have a young man here.
And if we wanted to speak English
And if we wanted to speak English
and describe this the right way, we could say
we
the
could
young
say
man was contemplating his next move.
the young man was contemplating his next move.
Again, the young man was contemplating.
The young man was contemplating.
Thinking deeply, trying to decide his next move.
Thinking deeply, trying to decide his next move.
Again, look at the video.
Look at the video. Look at the situation.
Look at the situation. He's thinking hard.
He's thinking hard. His hands are moving.
What should I do next?
What should I do next?
The young man was contemplating his next move.
The young man was contemplating his next move.
What about this, though?
What about this, though?
Also say, he couldn't make up his mind about the job.
We could also say, he couldn't make up his mind about the job offer.
Remember, we're talking about speaking English the right way.
Remember, we're talking about speaking English the right way.
Like a native English speaker.
Like a native English speaker.
And for this situation, you could also say,
you could also say,
he couldn't make up his mind about the job offer.
He couldn't make up his mind about the job offer.
Now, the expression make up your mind. It literally just refers to making a decision.